Hi guys, kamusta? Take two. Hi guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tayo ng bell button sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ng mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video nito, another video reaction naman gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa preliminary interview ni Alexi Brooks sa Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Si Alexi Brooks ay isa sa pinag-uusapan na kandidata ng Miss Universe na talagang sobrang galing din naman talaga niya, no? Talagang nakita ko lahat ng mga performances niya. Grabe, talagang stand out siya. And isa din siya sa pinakamalakas na kandidata ngayong taon. Diba? And tingnan natin yung kanyang preliminary interview. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go. Wait, ayan na.
Morning.
Ganda niya, no?
Hi.
Good morning, Alexi.
Good morning.
So you mentioned that for most of your life you have been running away from so many things. Having experienced a totally different type of competition in Miss Universe Philippines, what or where do you see yourself running towards?
Well, it is true that I've been running away my whole life from the people who bullied me. I was someone who constantly get bullied because of my skin. I didn't have no family growing up, and we were so poor that I remember those days that I barely had money to eat
Oh my
or
God,
had
mic
enough to
drop.
eat in school. Until I realized that instead of me running away from my bullies, I should chase after a dream. And then I realized one time that I opened a TV and I saw Miss Venus Ra and she showed the representation. And after that specific moment, I realized that I want to join Miss Universe. So that's what I think is a running up to.
Yeah.
Now, you
Wow,
have a
very
lot of
nice
fans
answer.
in every place that Miss
Very
Universe
well
Philippines
said.
visited, and they love you. Now, how does the Alexi that was bullied in the past feel about all of this admiration, and how are you coping with it?
I think the little Alexi will be really, really proud. I mean, knowing that the people of my skin before were someone who often really get bullied and harassed, physically abused, and right now we are being celebrated and represented. So the Alexi right now is doing the very best that she can to represent not only the little Alexi that I was, but every little Alexi out there that had a dream and wants to represent everyone.
Wow.
In what way is training for heptathlon and Miss Universe Philippines similar?
Well, people would always tell me that sports and pageantry is so different, but for me, it's the same because of my way or my technique. I have the same preparation. Heptathlon is 7 sports or 7 track events. It's high jump, long jump, hurdles, 200 meters, and I can go on. But I think what makes it the same is just like Miss Universe, we have swimsuit, we have Q&A, we have gown, and it's just a matter of your technique and how to balance it. It both needs discipline, perseverance, and dedication.
Oh my God. Speechless ako guys. Ang
Why
galing.
should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I should be the next Miss Universe Philippines because I believe that I'm the best representation of our country. I have tagged as the people's queen, and I think that that itself is enough for me to win the crown. Knowing that I have my whole people, my country, waiting for me to win the crown, I am really willing to give more and to offer more because Alexi is someone that would never bring anyone down. And as an athlete that I've done many good things in the country, I'll show you that I can bring so much more. Like I would let our country down. And regardless of the beauty or the color or anything, we Filipinos are one. We're diverse and we're beautiful.
Yes. Wow.
Thank you so much, Alexi Brooks.
Uy guys, ang galing nyo. Napakagaling ni Alexi Brooks. Mic drop. Ang husay ng
What advice will you give to a first-time voter for the 2022 elections? Time starts now.
Wow, wait lang. Grabe guys, ang galing ni Alexi Brooks, no? Talagang yung communication skills niya. Grabe. Nalalaman talaga ng mic na napakahusay, napakaganda. Talagang ready na siya na ipaglaban, lumaban sa ibang bansa, no? Actually, pwede talaga siyang lumaban sa Miss Universe kasi grabe naman. Tignan niyo naman guys kung gaano siya katalino, kung gaano siya kaganda. Ang ganda rin niya sa screen, no? Sobrang napaka-telegenic niya. Yung charisma niya talagang overflowing yung kanyang charisma. And sana ay makuha ni Alexi yung corona bilang Miss Universe Philippines para meron tayong pambato sa Miss Universe na ganito kahusay, napakatalino. And actually, lahat naman sila magaling talaga. And tignan na lang natin guys kung kaninong star nga ba yung mag-meaning. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo itong malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye!